Hi everyone, Irene here again. For today's video, I will be giving you a quick tour of my plants at home. I am here in one corner of our house, in the dining and the kitchen area. The dining and the kitchen area is just very close to each other since our house is just very small. So in this video, I only have very few plants that is being placed here in our kitchen area because some of it were already sold out. During my last vlog, there are some of my friends who'd like the plants that I have presented there, and they bought it. these are only the plants that I have here in my kitchen area, because some of the plants that I showed in my previous vlogs were already sold out. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked my video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.